Have you ever set a goal for yourself that seemed really far away, but you kept working towards it anyways because you knew ultimately it would be worth it in the end? Hi everyone, my name is Ivy Bazette and I am a native Texan. I'm currently an incoming sophomore transfer student at Baylor. When I'm not in class, you can usually find me working out at the gym, hanging out with my friends and family, or planning for my future career. One thing you'll probably learn pretty quickly about me is that I'm someone who always likes to stay busy and work toward my goals. Today, I want to introduce myself by discussing 3 qualities that I think describe me best. Those are determined, caring, and hardworking. Firstly, I am determined. To me, being determined means not giving up when something gets hard. It means continuing to work towards something, even if it would just be easier to quit. I've always been the type of person who sets goals for myself and then does everything in my power that I can to reach them. Whether it's for school, the gym, or even planning my future career, I do not like giving up on something that's important to me. For example, one of my long-term goals is to become a pediatric dentist. That's obviously not something that happens overnight, and there are a lot of steps involved. But instead of focusing on how far away my goal is from now, I focus on what I can do today to get myself closer to it. Another quality that describes me is being caring. Being caring means showing kindness and genuinely wanting to help the people surrounding you. I've always been someone who values my relationships and wants the people that I care about to feel supported. My friends know that if they're having a bad day or if they just need someone to talk to, they can always count on me. Even if I can't fix whatever's going on, I always try to be there for them and listen. I think sometimes people just need someone who cares enough to hear them out, and I try my best to be that person for my friends and family. The last quality that I think describes me best is hardworking. To me, being hardworking means putting effort into everything you do and not just expecting success to happen on its own. I've always believed that if something truly matters to you, it is worth working for. Between my classes, studying, personal responsibilities, and also trying to stay active, I know my life can get busy. One thing that helps me stay on track is keeping a schedule and staying organized. I like knowing what needs to get done and making sure I follow through. It might not always be exciting, but staying consistent has helped me accomplish a lot of the goals that I have set for myself. Now that I've shared these 3 qualities, I'd like to wrap my speech up. Today, I introduced myself by discussing being determined, caring, and hardworking. These qualities shape how I approach my goals, my relationships, and the way I handle challenges in my everyday life. Now, there's obviously a lot more to learn about me than what I can fit into just a short few-minute speech, but hopefully this gives you a better idea of who I am as a person. Thank you for listening.